Hey, everybody! Welcome, friends, to this channel. And in this video, let's talk to you about how you can easily hide notes in the Instagram app. Don't forget, friends, please put your likes on this video, write your comments, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. But what's up, friends? Let us get started. And first of all, please open the Instagram app on your device. Next, please go to the Posts section so you can create a new post. Now on the top left, please tap right here to go to create a note. Now you can write some text, ask a question, add an emoji, and so on. And before you add a note like this, you'll need to click here, so that you can choose who can see your notes. After that, please switch to the Best Friends section. Also, as needed, you can click on this section and adjust who is in your friends list and add people or remove such people in this list. After that, friends, just click on the empty field and then click on Share. This way, your post will only be available to a limited number of people, and you will hide it from your all friends. This is the way, dear friends, you can hide notes in Instagram app. I really hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to put likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you, friends.